niya nagmamadali. Ang penetrate, reverse layup, good rebound.
Very kusog.
Hindi siya. Number 3, Quijano, raise it up.
Bang! Nice!
Sana 6 na rin to play. Bisana ngayon, tuloy-tuloy. 2 points yan.
Bang!
Diba sa isang kalamangan.
Eh, daki naka-score ka na.
May mga video kami.
Igwa ka na idol. Dua pa.
Biras Bekihan.
Isilaw na. Likod!
Aga na number 1. Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Yan!
Abang na, boss. Pwede kang umayaw.
Very good. Lawang na.
Abang na.
Isulot na si Galigo. Lawang na.
There's a whistle for a foul.
Kita kabo, kita.
Here's number 12. Rapsing. This ball is to turn over Quijano.
Nice one, easy.
Quijano number 24. Relaxing dito. Quijano ngayon. Kick out pass. Rapsing. Step back for 3.
Lalo kayo kung ginakulbahan si Patay.
Bigyan SB Quijano. Here comes Quijano. Extra pass to Bisana. There's a foul. All on jersey number 3. Quijano inbound pass. Rapsing to Aganan. Aganan number 1. Try to penetrate. Acrobatic attempt. They're good. Pare for the rebound.
Oh, nakapagaw pa duwa ko.
Guarda number 6.
Pasiguro may kano.
Raise it up. Two shot. Morado put back.
Ay, nasubrahan man.
Ligal. Pass to Quijano. Back pass to Ligal number 10. Number 20. Bisana. 2 points.
Very good, Bisana.
Deadlock at 36. Aganan. Crossword pass to Quijano. Quijano extra pass. Number 10 again. Back. Pare for the rebound. Guarda
Lima naman lugod.
Ayos dapat sa legal ay hirap ng rebound kandidato. Kick out pass sa kanan. Aganan. Babawi.
Ay, nasubrahan.
Rebound by Ligal from the under.
Foul. Ay ka pa points.
Apa points niyan?
Tulod. Bagang ka kusog-kusog.
Foul.
Foul.
Masuk-usok naman na hit mo. And that rebound by Walter may pass the ball. Morado has the ball now. Morado number 5 na nagmamadali. Morado lays it up.
Yay! Iba talaga si Idol talaga.
It's a turnover.
Patuloy.
Morado penetrate. Pull up jumpers from the center. Good rebound by Laila. Laila has the ball now. There's a whistle. Foul. Colon jersey number 12. Laila. Substitution. Galiego out. Bisa na kaming in. Papay na ba ng samput?
At least
Pagnilik ka man laki sa naisan. Ganahin mo sa imo.
At least nakatamak. Ano, Kedge? At least nakatamak.
Morado pass sa to Bisa na number 20. Kick a pass, Ligal. Extra pass from the outside to Aganate. All the board. Rebound by Morado number 2. Morado. There's a foul for the jersey number 12.
Sad lang para magupat.
The second try, they're good.
Ato na.
Right for the rebound, Bisana. Kick a pass to Morado number 5. Pass the ball to Aganan. Aganan number 1. 6-second play. He puts it up.
Yay! Very good.
Good goal.
Sayang yun.
Let's get ready for the bonus show.
For 1 week naman.
Kakataon ni tabla ni Bisana.
Bisara. Sunod ka.
Bonus try, they're good. Rebound, Amangka. Right for the rebound. Aguilera, kick a pass.
Traveling violation. Ano, pamaripasa man na kay Rep. Go.
Rebound pass to Bisana. Going for his teammate, pass the ball to Morado. There's a pass. Aganan, take a shot.
Ay, nakosog man.
Kasama aman. Morado number 2, pass the ball to another Morado. Kembali pesuan niya na good. Rebound naman ka.
Okay, amon pa.
Turnover. So, Quijano takes shot. Good rebound by Morado. Morado kick and pass again to Quijano. Quijano running pass to Bisana. Intercepted by Angostia. Baseball pass to Solomon number 11. Solomon extra pass. Ayeser attack the ball by Bisana.
Still.
Here comes Bisana. Pass the ball to Quijano. Back pass Bisana from the under.
Foul.
And there is a reason. Foul for the jersey number 23. 2 shots awarded by Bisana.
Very good.
Inside basket jumpers get ready for the second throw by Bisana. Second try.
Yan.
2 by Bisana.
Patas. Ay.
Rebound by number 5.
Very good. Oh.
Next ball Bisana to Quijano. 15 seconds.
Oh. Easy.
That clock is off. Morado.
Travel, pirmi na tatravel.
10 seconds.